Hey guys, in this part, I'll be taking the VST off, cleaning it, getting all that old gunk out, getting the high pressure fuel pump, take that apart, clean that screen in there. There's supposed to be another screen at the pressure regulator. I'm gonna get that out, clean that, test the fuel, the high pressure pump, make sure it's good. Clean out any other little oil orifices and whatever else in there that needs to be cleaned to get it ready to go. So let's take a look and figure out how to service this VST. So I've been taking this VST apart, and it's not too bad on the inside. It's just whatever's been in there been sitting in there for a long time, and it's just it's kind of nasty. Oh shoot, don't need to lose those. Okay, so what I got is, so for instance, this thing here, it's not too bad. Like the seat, need to clean up on that seat pretty good. The needle's in good shape. The needle's in really good shape. So I'm gonna keep that. Just gotta clean up this seat a little bit. It should work pretty fine. I'm gonna hook some leads up to this pump and test this pump, make sure it turns on. If it doesn't, well, I think I'm gonna put it in the ultrasonic cleaner anyway. See if I get all this surface rust off. It's just nasty. But yeah, I'll continue on cleaning. Continue on with the continuing on. You gotta remember how this thing went back together. That sucks. Oh yeah, we got spin action. Yep. Pump works. Pump works just fine. Cool. That's a good thing. Yeah, I'm gonna still drip, see if I can. How does this go? got this fuel pump out of the ultrasonic cleaner, and it came out pretty good. A lot cleaner than it was going in. Everything looks pretty good. I tested it with the on the battery, make sure it works. Everything's working pretty good. Cleaned out the filter. Filter turned out pretty good. Now it's time for assembling it and continuing to clean out this this VST. There's also a screen, should be in here, but I gotta take that off to get to it. Maybe it's in there, but it's somewhere in there. There's a screen in there I gotta clean. Make sure that's good. Then I put this back together. Put these fuel pumps back together as well. And that's pretty much it before I run it. So here we go. Much better. All right. Just a little word to the wise, putting that gasket back on. That O-ring is a biatch. So I had to kind of put some grease all around it to get it to stay in place. It shouldn't harm it any. Any grease that gets in there, the gasoline ought to liquidate it, in my opinion.